What's up everyone, Jonathan here, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I make videos on travel, and this week we're in Chicago. We're at the 360 Tower in Chicago, and let me tell you, the view is amazing right now. Like, I love Chicago so far, and I'm only here for a short amount of time. But Miguel took me up here and we're looking at it, and he's saying that it's like, I'm super lucky to be here right now, like with this weather, because usually it's like windy, rainy, gloomy. This week that I'm here, it's really nice so far, and it just feels good. Like, I'm in a t-shirt and shorts, and this view is amazing. So you guys can check out the view right now. So right now, we're in Millennium Park, and as you can see behind me is the giant Chicago bean. Right now we're actually at Grand Park, where you get to see the whole Chicago skyline. I mean, it's amazing. Like, I love this city so much, even though it's only been like two days, but it's just really nice, and the air is clean, and I don't know, the people are extremely nice here. Today's my last day in Chicago, and it was absolutely amazing. The food here, the weather, the Chicago skyline, it was the best. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. Really quick, I just want to say thank you to Miguel, his family, for treating me, like, just welcoming me into their home and showing me around Chicago. It was an amazing experience. I just want to say thank you guys so much for treating me like family. I really enjoyed it here.